In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a rating property in ClickUp. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking feedback, or prioritizing your workflow, adding a rating field to your ClickUp lists can be a game changer. This feature allows you to assign star-based scores to tasks, helping you quickly evaluate and organize your projects. It's simple to set up, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to use ratings to streamline your task management process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred login method. This could be your email address, a connected account like Google, or any other login option you've previously set up. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage or the last page you visited. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll navigate through your spaces and lists. From there, locate the specific list where you want to add the rating property. Once you've found it, click to open that list. Now, make sure your list is displayed in List View. If your tasks are not shown in a table format, switch to List View by selecting it from the View options at the top of your screen. This step is important, as the rating property will be added as a column, which requires the list to be in this format. Next, you might need to scroll horizontally across the column headers at the top of your list. If you don't immediately see an option to add a column, keep scrolling to the far right side of the headers. There you'll find the Add Column button. It's usually labeled Add or marked with a plus symbol. Click on the Add Column button, which will open a field picker. In the field picker, you can either use the search bar to type the word rating or scroll through the available options until you find the rating property. Select the rating option once you see it. After selecting rating, you'll be prompted to name the field. This is the perfect time to customize it based on what you're tracking. For example, you might name it QA score, client rating, or priority score. Choose a name that best suits your needs, and once you've entered it, click to create the field. As soon as you've created it, the new column will automatically appear in your list. You'll see an empty rating cell added to each task. To assign a rating, simply click inside any task's rating cell. A star-based scale will appear, and you can select the number of stars that corresponds to the score you want to give. Once you've added ratings to your tasks, you can take it a step further by organizing your list. Use the sort or filter options available for the column to arrange your tasks based on their ratings. This makes it easier to prioritize or analyze your work at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully added a rating property to your list in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start optimizing your task management today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.